This runs on batteries. It's currently running. It just doesn't show a light here until I click it. Okay, so if I hit the center button once, it's showing me that the heat is on and its current temperature on the first click is 65, but I did just adjust it and set it to 71. Okay, so when it starts flashing, it's telling me that I just adjusted the program, and then the light will dim, and that's me programming the air handler and the boiler to kick in and heat up the home, okay? So if I click it again and I were to click it a second time, a snowflake pops up. Now that is the AC will kick in and it'll start cooling the home, and then I would adjust the temperature, right? To whatever I want to cool it to, say 70, but it's colder temperatures right now, so we're not gonna keep the AC on. So I'm gonna hit it a third time. This is how the thermostat is manufactured. It allows for constant sensing of temperature and then switching between heat and cool. Now, we don't really suggest running this because in Canada, you're either going to be heating or cooling. In the summertime, heating in the winter. So it's just how this is manufactured. We don't suggest leaving on this program. So if I hit it a fourth time, it has no symbol. It's strictly telling me the current temperature within the home, what it feels like, okay? So I'm gonna click the center button once again, go to heat, set it to say 69, and leave it to run as it's flashing. I'm now programming it to run to that temperature, okay?